In the beginning, before time was measured and history remembered, the universe moved in silence. Creation and destruction flowed together, guided by forces older than memory itself. But when balance weakens, darkness does not arrive suddenly. It gathers, unseen, growing stronger in silence, waiting for its moment. Even the god are untouched by time. When a dharma rises beyond control, divine power alone is not always enough. The heavens trembled, and the guardians of dharma stood defeated. Yet when all hope seems lost, the universe does not remain silent. From the combined will of the god, a greater force begins to awaken, Shakti, the power that restores balance. In ancient times, Asura Rambha performed severe tapasya, enduring fire, heat and suffering, remaining completely focused in deep penance for many years. Pleased by Rambha's intense penance, Agnidev emerged from the sacred flame and stood before him. Rambha asked Agnidev for a son of immense strength, one who would be unmatched in power. Agnidev granted the boon and declared that such a son would be born. Soon after, Rambha met Mahishi. Their union fulfilled the boon granted by Agnidev and set the path for the birth of a powerful child. Another Asura, filled with desire for Mahishi, watched her from a distance, his jealousy growing stronger. But when the jealous Asura attacked Mahishi, Rambha transformed himself into a mighty buffalo to protect her and confront the attacker. A fierce battle followed as Rambha in buffalo form fought the attacking Asura with great force. But despite his strength, Rambha was killed in the battle and fell lifeless upon the ground. Overcome with grief and carrying Rambha's unborn child, Mahishi entered the sacred fire and sacrificed her life. From the fire emerged Mahishasura, born from Mahishi's sacrifice and Rambha's boon. Mahishasura grew rapidly, becoming extraordinarily strong and fearless. Desiring invincibility, Mahishasura performed severe tapasya, standing unmoved for years to please Lord Brahma. Moved by his penance, Lord Brahma appeared before him. He first asked Lord Brahma for immortality, to which Brahma explained that it could not be granted to any created beings. Believing woman to be inferior and incapable of defeating him, Mahishasura then asked that no man or god should be able to kill him. Lord Brahma granted this boon. Protected by the boon, Mahishasura attacked the gods and defeated them in battle, driving them from their realms. Defeated by Mahishasura, the gods sat together in despair, unable to stop him. The gods approached Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu and asked for help to defeat Mahishasura and restore balance. From the combined divine energies of the gods, Maa Durga was created, the embodiment of Shakti, destined to destroy Mahishasura. Riding her lion, Maa Durga confronted Mahishasura and his army in a fierce battle. Mahishasura changed into different forms to escape defeat, but each form was destroyed by Maa Durga. Maa Durga struck down Mahishasura and ended his reign of terror, restoring Dharma. The gods bowed before Maa Durga and praised her